One, two, three, ready, start.
3, 2, 1, go. If we take into consideration the affiliated colleges, we will notice that the teachers are subjected to such humiliating conditions that it is not possible for them to discharge their duties to their students, to impart to their students any sense of responsibility or any moral values in their lives. Stop. I therefore, sir, feel that it is necessary to be more careful about the preservation of academic freedom to teachers. Stop stanza. Sir, we are grateful to the Education Ministry and to the University Grants Commission for upgrading the salaries of teachers in the central universities. Stop. Yet, a great disparity prevails in the salaries of teachers of central universities, and state universities and affiliated colleges, and this disparity is causing a lot of heart burning and a lot of difficulties. Stop. As one connected with education, I may say that there is not such a marked difference in the quality of teachers serving in the central universities, and in the state universities and in affiliated colleges as to justify the great disparity in the salaries of teachers of these institutions. Stop. I feel, sir, that we must keep in our mind the remarks of the University Grants Commission made in their earlier annual report with regard to teachers' salaries. Stop. We are not only to provide adequate salaries to teachers of affiliated colleges but also to teachers of secondary schools. Stop. We must remember, sir, that a great majority of students study in affiliated colleges and the quality of education is largely determined by the quality of work that is done in affiliated colleges. Stop stanza. For improvement in the quality of teaching, improvement in living conditions is also very necessary. Stop. The University Grants Commission has invited our attention in its report to the appalling conditions in which teachers have to live. Stop. But unfortunately, the University Grants Commission has to admit that it does not seem likely that we shall be able to make anything more than the marginal contribution towards this practical need. Stop. I feel that the University Grants Commission should pay more attention to the solution of this problem than has so far been paid by it and the Education Ministry, and that the government should not grudge funds to the University Grants Commission for making adequate arrangements for improving living conditions of teachers who are expected to train the citizens of the country. Stop. Sir, in the University Grants Commission report, it is maintained that rupees 12,000 should be granted to every affiliated college for the welfare of the teaching staff, and that efforts should be made to provide them with quarters, and that too, in the vicinity of the college where they teach.